Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Trezor to your computer. First, take your Trezor hardware wallet and connect it to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Trezor Suite website. The website will guide you through installing the Trezor Bridge, a small application that allows your computer to communicate with your device. This initial setup is quick and ensures a secure connection. Once Trezor Bridge is installed, launch the Trezor Suite application on your computer. The software is designed to automatically detect your connected Trezor device. You will see a prompt on your Trezor screen asking you to confirm the connection. This step is crucial for verifying that you are interacting with your genuine device and not a malicious imitation. Always double-check the on-screen prompts. To unlock your Trezor, you will need to enter your PIN directly on the device's screen, not your computer. This method protects against keyloggers. If you use a passphrase, you will also enter it on the Trezor itself. Remember, your PIN is typically between 4 and 9 digits long, and a passphrase can be any combination of characters. These security measures are vital for protecting your digital assets. With your Trezor connected and unlocked, you can now manage your cryptocurrencies within the Trezor Suite. You can view your balances, send funds, and receive new assets. Trezor supports over 1,000 different coins and tokens. When you are finished, always safely disconnect your Trezor device from your computer. This ensures the highest level of security for your valuable digital assets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.